Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of Indian writings in English. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to question number 96 in previous parts, and this is the part 10th, question number 197 to 221. These questions are from previous exams of competitive एग्जाम्स. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के ये क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 197. द क्वेश्चन इज Savitri, a legend and a symbol, is in three parts divided into. Savitri, a legend and a symbol, is three parts divided into option A 20 cantos, option B 24 cantos, option C 37 cantos, and option D 49 cantos. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option D 49 cantos. Now question number 98. Who said I only know how to work at one poem at a time, stitch by stitch? Who said I only know how to work at one poem at a time, stitch by stitch? Option A Shiv K. Kumar, option B Nizim Ezekiel, option C A.K. Ramanujan, and option D Arun Kolatkar. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C A.K. Ramanujan. A.K. Ramanujan is the correct answer. Now question number 199. Question number 199. The main theme of So Many Hungers is. The main theme of So Many Hungers is option A necessity of revolution, option B degradation of humanity, option C description of nature, option D vision of India as a developed country. Vision of India as a developed country. So which one is the correct answer? The main theme of So Many Hungers, option B degradation of humanity. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 200. A railway clerk is a poem by. A railway clerk is a poem by option A Keki and Darubala, option B Nizim Ezekiel, option C Shiv K. Kumar, and option D Jayant Mahapatra. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B Nizim Ezekiel. A railway clerk by Nizim Ezekiel. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 201. Who is considered the first writer in English? Who is considered the first writer in English? Option A Raja Rao, option B Sheikh Jain Mohammed, option C Neeraj C Chaudhary, and option D R.N. Tagore. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer Sheikh Jain Mohammed. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 202. Who was the first Indian author to win a literary award in the United States? Who was the first Indian author to win a literary award in United States? Option A Dhan Gopal Mukherjee, option B Neeraj C Chaudhary, option C K A Abbas, and option D Ravindranath Tagore. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 203. Who among the following has translated the entire Mahabharata into English? Who among the following has translated the entire Mahabharata into English? Option A R.K. Narayan, option B हरेंद्र नाथ चट्टोपाध्याय, ऑप्शन सी पी लाल एंड ऑप्शन डी शशि थरूर। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी पी लाल। P. Lal is the correct answer. Now, question number 204. Narayan created the fictitious town of Malkudi, which is similar to आर के नारायण जी की बात चल रही है। उनका एक फिक्टिशियस टाउन था जो काल्पनिक शहर के नाम के मालगुडी था, वैसे ही किसके समान था? ऑप्शन ए जेफरी चाउसर कैंटरबरी, अलेक्जेंडर पोप्स लंदन, T.S. Eliot Wasteland, and option D Thomas Hardy Wessex. So which one is the correct answer? जाफरी चाउसर का कैंटरबरी टेल सही था, अलेक्जेंडर पोप जी का लंदन सही था, T.S. Eliot में वेस्टलैंड। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, थॉमस हार्डीज वेसेक्स। Narayan created the fictitious town of Malgudi, which is similar to Thomas Hardy's Wessex. Option question number 205. Graham Greene had a developed friendship with. ग्राहम ग्रीन हैड ए डेवलप्ड फ्रेंडशिप विथ। ग्राहम ग्रीन की किससे फ्रेंडशिप थी? ऑप्शन ए टोरू दत्त, ऑप्शन बी आर के नारायण, ऑप्शन सी भारती मुखर्जी एंड ऑप्शन सी ऑप्शन डी खुशवंत सिंह। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी आर के नारायण। आर के नारायण इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ डियर फ्रेंड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 206. The famous work of Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children. The famous works of Salman Rushdie Midnight Children got Booker Prize in 1981, option A 1980, option B 1981, option C 1982, and option D 1984. So the correct answer is 1981. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 207. Shashi Tharoor in his The Great Indian Novel 1980 follows the story telling mode as one can find in Shashi Tharoor in The Great Indian Novel 1980 follow the storytelling made as one can find in. शशि थरूर ने अपने ग्रेट इंडियन नॉवेल 1980 में जो हुआ था एक स्टोरी टेलिंग की बताई थी, किसके जैसा था? ऑप्शन ए भागवत गीता, ऑप्शन बी रामायण, ऑप्शन सी कामायनी एंड ऑप्शन डी महाभारत। महाभारत इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ऑप्शन डी। Option D is the correct answer. And question number 208. Which novel was earlier titled as Grateful to Life and Death? Which novel was earlier titled as Grateful to Life and Death? Option A The English Teacher, option B Swami and Friends, option C The Financial Expert, and option D The Bachelor of Art. The correct answer is option A The English Teacher. The English Teacher is the correct answer. Dear friends, यदि आप इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस को लगातार सुनते हैं तो आपके माइंड में इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन हमेशा के लिए रहते हैं। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 209. R.K. Narayan got immense recognition in the West through his novel. R.K. नारायण जी को बहुत अच्छी प्रसिद्धि जो वेस्ट में मिली थी, पश्चिम में, थ्रू हिज नॉवल। किस नॉवल से मिली थी? ऑप्शन ए वेटिंग फॉर महात्मा, ऑप्शन बी द पेंटर ऑफ साइन, ऑप्शन सी द इंग्लिश टीचर, एंड ऑप्शन डी द वेंडर ऑफ स्वीट्स। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी द इंग्लिश टीचर इज द करेक्ट आंसर। इंग्लिश टीचर के कारण उनको इतना ज़्यादा फेम प्रसिद्धि मिली थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 210. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंटेंस आर के नारायण्स ट्रैवल मेमोरी? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंटेंस आर के नारायण्स यूएस ट्रैवल मेमोरी? यूएस के में जो उनकी मेमोरी थी। ऑप्शन ए लॉली रोड, Option A, Lolly Road. Option B, My Dateless Diary. Option C, An Astrologer's Day and Other Short Stories. Option D, A Horse and Two Goats. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, My Dateless Diary is the correct answer. Now question number 211. Khushband Singh, A History of Sikh contains. Khushband Singh, A History of Sikh contains. Option A, 5 volume. Option B, 4 volumes. Option C, 3 volumes. Option D, 2 volumes. Khushband Singh's A History of Sikh contains. Option D, 2 volume is the correct answer. 2 volume is the correct answer. Now, next question, question number 212. What is the subtitle of B.S. Naipaul's Among the Believers? What is the subtitle of B.S. Naipaul's Among the Believers? Option A, Hindu Journey. Option B, Islamic Journey. Option C, Himalayan Journey. And option D, Jamaican Journey. The correct answer is option B. Option B, Islamic Journey. Islamic Journey is the correct answer. Islamic Journey is the correct answer. Now question number 213. Family Affair India under 3 Prime Ministers was written by. Family Affair India under 3 Prime Ministers was written by. Option A, Ruskin Bond. Option B, Amitabh Ghosh. Option C, Ved Mehta. And option D, Amit Chaudhary. So option C, Ved Mehta is the correct answer. Family Affair India under 3 Prime Minister was written by Ved Mehta. Now question number 214. Which of the following is not work? which of the following is not work of कुलदीप नायर? कुलदीप नायर का वर्क इसमें से कौन सा नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए, नेहरू द मेकिंग ऑफ इंडिया. ऑप्शन बी, बिटवीन द लाइन्स. ऑप्शन सी, डिस्टेंस नेवर्स. एंड ऑप्शन डी, इंडिया द क्रिटिकल ईयर्स. So which is not work of Kuldeep Nayar? Option A, Nehru the making of India. Now question number 215. Which of the following is not written by Anita Desai? Anita Desai के द्वारा क्या नहीं लिखा गया है? ऑप्शन ए, बाय बाय ब्लैकबर्ड. ये तो अनीता देसाई के द्वारा लिखा गया. अ विलेज बाय द सी, ये भी अनीता देसाई के द्वारा लिखा गया. क्राई द पिकॉक, ये भी लिखा गया. एंड ऑप्शन डी, रिलक्टेंट गुरु. Reluctant Guru, option D, is not written by Anita Desai. Question number 216. Name the writer of Death for Death, a story without name. Name the writer of Death for Death, a story without name. Option A, Atiya Hussain. Option B, A.K. Ramanujan. Option C, K.A. Abbas. And option D, B.S. Naipaul. So the correct answer of this question is option C. Option C, K.A. Abbas is the correct answer. Question number 217. Who is the hero of Mulk Raj Anand's Two Leaves and a Bud? Who is the hero of Mulk Raj Anand in Two Leaves and a Bud? So the correct answer of this question is who is the hero of option A, Munu. Option B, Gangu. Option C, Rakha. And option D, Shimru. The correct answer is option B, Gangu. Gangu is the correct answer. Gangu is the hero of Mulk Raj Anand in Two Leaves and Birds. Option 200. Question number 218. When was Private Life of an Indian Prince published? When was Private Life of an Indian Prince published? Option A, 1953. Option B, 1955. Option C, 1957. Option D, 1959. So which one is the correct answer? 1953. यानी कि option A is the correct answer. Now dear friends, question number 219. Who is the hero of Mulk Raj Anand's Morning Face? Morning Face. Option A, Krishan Chandar. Option B, Haveli Ram. Option C, Har Dayal. And option D, Puran Mall. The correct answer is option C, Hardayal. Hardayal is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. This is the second last question of this video, part 10. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन लगे यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. When was Ahmad Ali's Twilight in Delhi published? Option A 1939, option B 1940, option C 1941, and option D 1942. The correct answer is option C 1941. This is the last question of this video, dear friend. Arvindo Ghosh got his early education at option A St. Joseph High School, Calcutta, option B St. Anne's School Academy, Shillong, option C Gabriel Academy, Siliguri, and option D Loreto Convent School, Darjeeling. The correct option is option D Loreto Convent School of Darjeeling. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video.